QI-USDT Overview. This analysis is for informational purposes only. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style: spot trading. Target time frame: around 1 month between take profits. Entry levels: 0.01727 to 0.02001. Take profit targets: Target 1, 0.02610. Target 2, 0.03052. Target 3, 0.03274. Target 4, 0.03524. Target 5, 0.03885. Stop loss: 0.01039. Key to success in trading: be patient and use simple technical analysis tools like trend lines, price channels, and support/resistance levels. Trade with me. Important recommendation: after reaching a take profit target, consider trailing your stop loss to your entry price or the previous take profit level. Enter after a pullback. This suggests buying after a price decline.